Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Cook and Decor with Sheuli. Personalized photo candle is a perfect gift for your family and friends on a special occasion. It's very easy to personalize a candle with photo. I'm going to make this candle for my friend's newborn baby girl to welcome her in this beautiful world. Personalizing the candle with photos and paper flower make my gift extra special. Now viewers, check the steps you have to do to make this candle. First, gather the materials you need for your project. Print out the photos using a laser printer you would like to use. Cut out the photo according to the design you are going to use. Apply a thin and even layer of Decoupage glue on the back side of the photo. Brush the glue to the extending of the edges so that it's not peeling up. Now stick the photo on the center and then stick it evenly edge of the paper. Stick two photos on a candle so that you can use it as a centerpiece for your table. Leave it for dry. Let's go to make the paper flower. First, fold a piece of paper as I show here. Draw a petal using a pencil. Cut out the petal according to the design. Make the other layers of the flower, which will be bigger, about 1 cm than the previous one. Twist the edge of the petals using any tool like round pencil, paintbrush, glue stick, scissors, whatever you like. I use hair foam and a round shade head tool to roll the base of the flower. To get inlet appearance, brush Decoupage glue on the top of the paper pieces after drying. The more layer of Decoupage glue, the more glossy effect will be on your photo. Let each layer dry before adding another. Now it's time to make angel wings. I search for angel wings template on internet and print out. Trace the wings on a color paper using a carbon paper. Cut out the wings. Outline the angel wing feathers with an outliner. I am using here Pabeo Gutta outliner. Leave it for drying. Let's go to make leaves. Fold 2 paper pieces and draw a half leaf pattern with pencil. Cut out the leaves along the pattern. Now mark the side veins of the leaves using a scissors, and you can use other tools whatever you like. For more glossy effect, apply Decoupage gloss varnish. You can also use white glue instead of gloss varnish. Let them dry. Draw a princess crown using a pencil and cut out. Attach some stone on crown using all-purpose glue. This glue is sticky and watercolor. Apply some glue to attach glitter. Sprinkle the glitter on glue of the crown. Now stick the crown on photo using all-purpose glue. To add glitter, do the same thing for angel wing. Sprinkle the glitter. Now I'm going to use some glitter on flower. So I first brush the glue on the target portions, then sprinkle the glitter. Remove the extra glitter from flower. Wait for dry to set the glitter. To attach the angel wings on photo, I use all-purpose glue. Add some glue to attach the layers of the flower as I show here. Use a foam ball for center part of the flower. It looks very pretty. To attach the flower and leaves on the top of the candle, use a corsage pin or hijab pin. Write down the name of the baby girl with an outliner. Hold the candle carefully and make sure that you don't smudge anything. Leave it for drying. Now it's ready to display. Viewers, how it look when it dries? If you like this video, please hit the like button and share with your friends. I will be very grateful if you subscribe my channel before you leave the page. Thanks for watching. Bye.